guys, hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about very special brand, very popular these days, and this is the choice of many people, and me personally, I'm one of them, definitely. So let's get going. In this video you're going to see the couple of words about history of this brand, about pros and cons to get what is better to get, used or new brand, where are you losing and where are you investing actually money, and what is the best accessory, what is the best brand these days, and we will compare with others. So let's see and let's get going. We are talking today about Hermes brand. It's very famous. I'm sure every one of you know about this. And I just want to talk a little bit more about this one. So today I'm going to show you accessory, which is the Hermes belt. We are going to unpack now. Before unpacking my pack, let's talk a little bit more about Hermes, just to let you know a little bit more. So Hermes brand was established in 1837. Guys, can you imagine? It's 184 years old brand. Wow, this big corporation is just amazing. And that's why maybe you can feel the classy and sophisticated taste from 18th century. Even me personally, I can. I don't know about you, but I can. That's why I love it. So, and also in 2008, it was launched the Hermes Foundation, where the group's goals was to sponsor and help people to create. So it was helping creating and craftsmanship activities to establish, and that was very successful because in 2010 they got grants for this. That's all. And now I'm going to show you what I got. So here is my treasure. Kind of treasure. It's something, it has for me a very special value. Why, I will explain to you later. So let's unpack. The boxing has actually a little bit texture, you can feel it. And here we are going to open the box. As I told you earlier, so this is the belt, Hermes belt buckle, you can see. And I'm going to show you everything. Here is the buckle. You see the condition, it has tiny scratches. Also, it's resistant from scratches. So that's why after wearing it 6 years or so, it has actually very good condition. And I was wearing it not on special occasions. I was wearing it very often, just to going out with friends and so on. And here we have the actual strap. And what is the bonus we have here? So the strap is reversible. It has two sides. One is the black one and has very nice skin, yeah. Another one, it's more caviar skin. You can see here. And here is another side. You see? And you can take a look of the stitching are very neat. Look at this. And here, so this is the size 90. Here you can see it's written Hermes Paris, made in France. You can see it maybe or not. By the way, I'm very tiny, I would say, but built very nicely. So 30, it means it will fit those who wear like S, XS, medium size, and large too, by the way. And this is, don't forget, this is unisex, so it's really amazing item to buy for a gift, to buy just for you personally. By the way, it's pretty, the leather is very durable. How I heard, I never had like Louis Vuitton belt, but I heard it's not as much durable as Hermes. Hermes is really amazing, and as you can see, it's in a perfect condition. So now we are going actually to wear the buckle. And here, when I was trying to wear it first time, oh my god, I guess the video would call it 3 men tries to wear Hermes belt. Exactly like this. Because it was crazy. It was very difficult to wear it. Now, of course, it's easier, so you're going to put it here, like this, yeah? You're put it inside, and here, put it back here. So it looks like this, you see? You can wear it in different way. And then we are going to put this inside. So here will be the look, like this. You can see. And you can use, of course, another side too. Such a beautiful item, really. So actually, when you buy an Hermes belt, you have 2 belts, not 1. What a gift, yeah? Now, of course, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about, we are going to talk a little bit more now. What is better to buy? Is it better to buy new or used brand? In my opinion, I'll tell you honestly, doesn't matter how much money you have. New items, that's the same like with the car. When you buy a car, yeah, when you go out from the salon, you just leave, you lose right away 30% of the total price. So I have a question for you guys, like why to do this? It's actually not really smart, in my opinion, because I would suggest that for this much of money you can get something else, you can invest, you can do many other things, you can help other people. What is more, what it will be better for you, you'll feel better even after this. So about exactly belt we are talking, for example. Now I'm bringing for you just prices. So if, for example, we are speaking about new belt, so the new belt, the only buckle, I will tell you because I was the new belt, so the new belt only buckle, the buckle itself, it will cost $330 approximately, yeah, but it's about this price range. And the strap only, it will cost $465. So here we go. So the total will be about $880, something like this. Let's say it's $900, okay? $900 to 1,000 something dollars. This is the new belt, Hermes belt, with pack and everything, you know, and receipt. And about used brand. So I got it used, and I got it. Oh my god, just don't laugh, okay? Don't laugh and don't cry if you got already new. So the used brand, the used belt, I got for, I guess it was $250. $250, yes, you heard. $250 for all together, buckle and strap, all together, with boxing, with receipts, with everything, and it looks like new. So guys, I have a question for you. Is it worth it to buy new or used? I would say definitely it's worth to buy used. because you win money, actually, you win time. Now, if I want, I don't, but if I want, I can sell it, and I will sell it. The minimum is the same amount of money which I got it for, or I can sell it actually for more. So it's a very good investment. It's pretty durable, very good investment. You can wear it for, I'm wearing it already for 4 or 5 years. And here you go, all the pros of this. Cons, actually, I don't know if it has just maybe one, those people which are doesn't like to wear after somebody, then yeah, this is the cons of this. But I guess it's only one. So I just would like to have comments from you guys to let me know what do you think about this, what do you think about used new brands, about Hermes Belt, accessories, and so on. And if you would like, I'm going to show you and check out my other video. I'm going to show you Hermes Birkin, yeah, a different one, and also other brands. So if you want to know a little bit more, or if you want to order something, you can contact me direct, and I will find you anything you want for the much better price which you can get. So I'm the personal shopper here for you. So please contact me and don't hesitate about it. Thank you. And now we are going to see how it will match with different outfits, the Hermes belt.